Hey guys, this is Aaron from Geeky Development and welcome to our XCode tutorials, and this is part 4 of our table view tutorial series, where we've shown you how to simply create a table view and populate it, how to push to our detail view, and how to populate our detail view and give it extra content. Now part 4 here, we're going to show you how to customize the table view, how to make it look pretty and more appealing than just the basic features XCode gives you. So we're going to start by simply adjusting the image files here and the basic fonts and labels in the table view. So if we go to our main.storyboard, we're also going to be showing you how to quickly change the font on the title, how to change the color of the separators here, and also how to just get rid of the landmarks word there, so it's just a simple arrow back. So we're going to start by simply getting the labels here. Let's place them next to the table view here. So we're going to select the labels, and we're going to change the font here. Go to custom, and the Helvetica, that's a pretty nice one. Do the same to the description, but I'm going to change it from, I'm going to put it to light, where I was going to put this one, I'm going to say bold black, or constantly bold. The bold one looks better for me, so I'll make it look a little bit prettier. I'll make it, I'll give it a nice colour, make it green there. Now for the title here in our navigation view here, we actually have to go to our navigation controller. Now if we select our navigation bar up the top here, and then we go to title colour, and we select green, and then we set the font here, custom, and as we keep into the Helvetica theme here, I'll make this one bold as well, and I'll make the size nice and big. I'll do 22 for the size there. Now as it doesn't change within the title under here, but it will change within the when we go to build and run. So if we just quickly build and run, just to show you. So there we have it. So if I went to push now, as you can see, it's still blue on the arrow. So if you go back to our navigation bar, and we have to scroll down now to our tint, and if you select that green, go to build and run. Now the button to now go back with the arrow should now be green, which it is. There we go. So we're looking already nice here. I'm going to reduce that image view here. Center the labels, just so I can push up the actual size of the table view. There we go. Resize the image view again. So if I build and run, just looks a little bit better and more pleasing to the eye. So that's simply, another way how you can customize the cells of the table view. So now we're gonna I'm gonna change the color of these separators here, kind of to the green of the what we got already set up here. So to do that, we go to our table view controller.m, and we're gonna go into the view did load. So just before the NS arrays we added here, we're gonna do self dash table dot table view dot separator color space equals space bracket UI color space. Now as we can only do the basic like red color or blue color for the colors, we're going to use the old RGB method. So we do color with red, there we go, and then the CG float here. So I have preset values for that color green, so we do 0 dash 2 5.0. I'm just going to highlight it as I want it in both of them. And then the green will be 181. If you play with these values here, you can make up your own colour. And then the CG float, on the alpha, I'm going to have half the alpha, as I don't want it to be really green. I just want it to be half, like, you know, just slightly off. So the alpha is going to be at 0.5, which means it's 50% transparent, and that have a bracket and a semicolon. So if I go to build and run now, you will see the separators like a green now. So yeah, there you go. You can see they're nice and green. So that's simply how you change the colour of these separators. Now, one more thing we need to do to customize it is change the get rid of this landmark here, as it just sticks out. So if you've got like a really long title, such as St. Basil's Cathedral, it kind of pushes that to the right to compensate for the landmark word being there. And to get rid of that, we simply do UI bar button item asterisk. We're going to add a new back button, space equals space bracket UI bar button again item. You need to allocate it, space in it with title, in the NS string we do @ symbol, and because we do quotation mark here, if you put anything within the quotation marks, then that's what will display within that where it says landmarks. But if we leave it blank, it means it's got nothing to display. In the style here, we simply do UI bar button item style bordered. There we go. In the target, we do nil. And in the action here, we do nil again. Now, if you want no actions to it, because it's already got its own action, so you simply go back. So if I build and run that, oh, missing the semicolon, put the semicolon on the end there. And oh, missing one more bit as well. Just noticed that myself. So we do bracket self space navigation item bracket set back bar item, and then we do new back button there to the back button item. There we go. So now if you go to build and run, see the errors are completely gone now. So we go to Big Ben, and as you can see now, there is no text on the back button. And if you go to St. Basil's Cathedral, like I showed before, you can see now that title is nicely centered. So now we're going to go to our main.storyboard, and you're going to select all three of them bottom labels there, change it to custom, and I'm going to do light here. Make this font here custom again, make it bold, and make it green. And if we carry on doing what we were doing in the table style here, let's keep that regular. Is it regular? No, that's light. So then if I go to build and run, the detail view is kind of nicely themed now to the rest of the table view. So if I go to select one of my landmarks now, so if I choose the Great Wall of China, you'll see the title is now green as well. The title here is green as well, and it's all nicely kind of themed to the rest of the application. So that's simply how you customize the table view. So what we've done so far in this 4-part mini-series, we've created a table view, we've populated it, we've pushed to a detail view and brought the information with us and depopulated it with that information, and we've also populated the detail view with additional information and content. And we've also kind of customized the colors, make it nicely themed. We've changed the separated color, and we've added the custom fonts to our labels, our navigation title, and the colors of them too. So in total, we've kind of built a fully featured app. There's not much you could really do now to make it ready to submit to the App Store. So I really do hope this little mini-series has helped you kind of give you some ideas and some inspiration and kind of the knowledge now to go and create your own table view tutorials. So if you've liked this video and you've liked this series, make sure you give it a like, a favourite. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you like and follow us on Facebook and Twitter if you want to keep up to date with us. Make sure you send a message or leave us a comment if you want to suggest any tutorials yourself. And make sure you go check out all our apps which are currently on the App Store. All you got to do is simply search Geeky Lemon and they're all there for you. So again, if you've really enjoyed this series, make sure you tell us, man, because I really do like the feedback. And again, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all next time in our next.
Thank you for watching this tutorial by Geeky Lemon Development. Be sure to follow them on Twitter and like them on Facebook. Oh, and check out all of their other tutorials and sample projects on their website, geekylemon.com. But most importantly, please download their awesome iPhone and iPad apps by searching Geeky Lemon on the App Store. And please remember to subscribe.